In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages into Notion. We're going to keep this straightforward and efficient by using Notion's calendar view, which is the easiest way to see your dates at a glance and quickly turn them into individual pages. This approach gives you a clean visual layout, so you always know what's happening on which day without digging through lists. Start by creating a new page from the left pane in Notion. When that new page opens, choose the calendar view. This sets up a calendar-based database for you, so each date on the calendar is a slot where a page can live. Think of it like a board on a wall where each day is a card you can work with. Simple, tidy, and built to keep you organized. Once the calendar is in front of you, move your mouse over the exact date where you want a page. As you hover over that date, a small plus icon appears. That's your cue. Click the plus, and Notion will instantly create a brand new page anchored to that day. It's fast, and it ensures everything you add is tied to a specific date without any extra setup. If you need multiple dates turned into pages, just repeat that same hover and click action for each day you want to capture. Hover over the next date, click the plus, and you've got another page. Keep going as needed. Because this is a calendar view, you'll see your pages spread out across the month, giving you a clear picture of your schedule and letting you spot gaps or clusters at a glance. The best part about this method is how consistent and reliable it is. The calendar view keeps everything aligned with a date automatically, so you don't have to manually connect pages to a timeline later. It's a great way to plan content, track events, or log entries day by day, all in one place. And that's really all there is to it. Create a new page from the left pane, select the calendar view, hover over the date you want, and click the plus to generate a page for that day. Repeat as many times as you need to populate your calendar. With just those simple actions, you'll have a clean, visual system for organizing multiple dates as pages in Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity that Calendar View brings to your workflow.